Okay, successfully fetched 16 million lines. Now it's gonna cut it up. It's gonna cut it up. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Let's go check out the BTC data now. Now it looks good, buddy. Good job, Moondev. You are a data dog. That is for sure. That is for sure. That's for sure. You a certified data dog now. You're a certified data dog. Liquidation ADX. Put in that new data dog. This should change everything. Starting price, ending price, good. He's a magician, dude. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Okay, 77% return versus a 50% return. So pretty solid, 1.24 sharp here. Exposure time's 11%. That's what I like the most. The ADX here actually made it worse, but backtest plot displayed. Nice, dude. Okay, so now all right, I fixed it and now it works perfectly. I wanted to optimize after it prints out the first two backtests, or the first backtest, the one without the ADX, and then I wanted to optimize for 5 different ADX values and 10 different stop loss and take profits. But first have it print out the backtest with no optimizations. Damn, dude, I can't believe I figured that out so quick. I mean, it wasn't quick, but here's all the code and scroll through fast. I'm gonna keep doing this throughout, so just lock in with me, dude. And I know sometimes I take a while, and I'm sorry. Some people hate that, and it's like, okay, I'm sorry, dude. I put everything out here, and I'm just trying to show everything. And some people hate the long videos. It's okay. You don't have to watch them, dude. I don't care. I gotta get this done. It's just it's a win-win for me. I'm gonna do it anyway, so I might as well help a couple homies out that love this stuff. So I'm gonna show you all the code throughout the videos. And if you want it, you can have it. But if you don't, then that's fine too. Just send love 777s, please. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. All right, there she goes. Testing 500 combinations. God damn. 77% return. Exposure. I love the exposure time. 500 combos, bro. Let's say use the optimization like this, guys. So this is again on the roadmap, just so you can have it. Please use the optimization, the built-in optimization like above. This is just above is a template, how to use the optimization. Use that for this. So you can also remove all the debug printing. We figured out all the data checks and stuff, so we're Gucci there. I said Gucci, not good, but whatever. They accept here. There we go. Much shorter, which is good. What time is it? 9? Of course there's going to be volatility at 9 a.m. Hold up.
Make a choice, right? You just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how
this
you're
is
going
entirely
to do it.
different
Just decide.
stats
And
here for the original run, so I think you changed something
get out your way.
within the
It's
code. You
water.
shouldn't change anything with the
can
main
go around and
strategy.
stuff,
I was
you
just
know?
showing you the above in order to use the optimization. Hold up. I apologize for modifying the core strategy. AI sometimes, dude. AI. Gotta be careful. Careful. She gonna get you. She gonna get you if you're not watching. I promise you that. Be careful. Careful when you use AI. Use a keen eye. Let's go ahead and say accept here. Run it back. That ain't it, dude. That's not it. Reject. Reject. Okay, let's see if this is back to it. Reject one more. Reject. Reject. Nah, dude, it looks like you changed something in the actual core strategy because the results are not looking the same, and I don't think you changed it back. And it wasn't really the debug prints because that doesn't change the result. Go ahead and look at this one. I copied over the original strategy from here, but remember the only difference between the one I'm showing right now and the one we're working on is that we're doing long only and we're closing on short. So we're not shorted. At liquidation backtest ADX2. And we now use enter on long liquidations only and close on short liquidations. While the example I showed you is similar, it's not exactly the same as the strategy as we use long liquidations to enter and short liquidations to close. Except here, run it back. There we go. There we go. We're back. 77.37. Now it's going to go optimize. And we're going to let it optimize here. And while it does that, I want to go ahead and work on a couple other things here. The main thing I want to work on here, okay, so I'm showing you the RBI process, but now I'm jumping into the eye of a different bot. So remember, it comes down to this, dude. Process of automating your trading starts with research of trading strategies. So a liquidation strategy, it's something I read about probably or heard about on a podcast, one of those podcasts I showed you or books I read in the past. And it's just an idea. It's an idea. So I take this idea, this research, RBI, research backtest implement, and I go ahead and backtest to see if it actually works in the past. This one looks to be working in the past. It's better than buy and hold by far, in my opinion, because it's 77% return, 50% buy and hold. But the exposure time is 11%, meaning all that capital is free for other strategies if needed. Okay, so I think that's beautiful. Now, what I want to do here is work on my Solana copy bot. And unfortunately for a Solana bot, it's harder to backtest because you can't backtest something that doesn't have enough data. And when I'm using like a trending and a copy bot, which is very hard to backtest. I can't even think about how to do that. That being said, I know an instant way to be more profitable with these copy bots and trending bots that I have running here. And that's by saving on my API costs.